Hello friends, welcome to another video on top 50 computer shortcut keys. First one, Control C, used for copy. Second, Control X, used for cut option. Third, Control V for paste option. Fourth, Control plus Z, used for undo option. Fifth, Del key for delete. Sixth, Shift plus Del key, delete the selected item permanently without placing the item in recycle bin. 7th, Control key while dragging an item or copy the selected item. 8th, Control plus Shift while dragging an item, create a shortcut to the selected item. F2 key, rename the selected item. Control plus right arrow, move the insert point to the beginning of the next word. 11. Control plus left arrow, move the insert point to the beginning of the previous word. 12. Control plus down arrow, move the insert point to the beginning of the next paragraph. Control plus up arrow, move the insert point to the beginning of the previous paragraph. 14. Control plus shift with any of the arrow keys to block a text. 15. Shift with any of the arrow keys to select more than one item in a window or on the desktop, or select text in a document. 16. Control plus A, select all. 17. F3 key, search for file or a folder. 18. Alt plus enter, used to view the properties for the selected item. 19. Alt plus F4, close the active item or quit the active program. 20th. Alt plus spacebar, open the shortcut menu for the active window. 21. Control plus F4, close the active document in programs that enable you to have multiple documents open simultaneously. Alt plus tab, switch between the open items. 23. Alt plus escape, cycle through items in the order that they had been opened. F6 key, cycle through the screen elements in a window or on the desktop. F4 key, display the address bar in list My Computer or Windows Explorer. Shift plus F10, 26th, display the shortcut menu for the display item. Control plus escape, display the start menu. F10, activate the menu bar in the active program. Right arrow, open the next menu to the right or open submenu. Left arrow, open the next menu to the left or close submenu. F5, update the active window. Backspace, move the folder one level up in My Computer or Windows Explorer. Escape key, cancel the current task. Control plus tab, move forward through the tab. Control plus Shift plus Tab. Move backward through the tab. Move forward through the option. Tab key used. Shift plus Tab. Move backward through the option. F1 key. Display help. Windows key. Display or hide the start menu. Windows plus D. Display the desktop. Windows plus M. Minimize all of the windows. Windows plus Shift plus M. Restore minimized windows. Windows plus E. Open my computer. Windows plus F. Search for file or folder. Control plus Window plus F. Search for computers. Windows plus F1. Display Windows help. Windows plus L. Lock the keyboard. Windows plus R. Run dialog box. Windows plus U. Open utility manager. I hope you found all those shortcut keys useful to you. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.